Hi, welcome to Milk and Honey Heritage Farms, and I'm Heather, and thank you so much for being here. I'm glad you're here today with me, because today I'm doing a collaboration with Tammy at Mountain Grandma and with Tina at Life in the Piedmont, which is a Jell-O making dessert collaboration. So join in both Tina and Tammy on their channels, and I'll link them down in the description. We'll have playlists of all the wonderful collaborators that are making different Jell-O type desserts. So why not join in and maybe get some speak right, Heather, inspiration and maybe some new ideas, fun ideas for summertime. So why not? So stay with me till the end and see what I'm going to be making.
So short and thin, when it is so tired, it drops and then I win. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play.
2 cups of cold water. We're gonna give that a good mix.
My dreidels always playful, it loves to dance and spin. A happy game of dreidel, come play now, let's begin. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play.
I wonder what I'm going to be doing. Alright, so I'm not doing any specific measurements with my raspberries. The raspberries are freshly picked and frozen from my own raspberry patch. Most likely the raspberries are going to sink to the bottom. If you don't want your fruits to sink to the bottom, you can do like a thinner layer in like a glass rectangle cake pan or something like that that's a little shallower, so that way you get an even distribution. But for my recipe that I'm going to be doing, it's okay that they sink down to the bottom. Right now, I'm just going to put, I don't know, probably 2 large ounces of raspberries in here, or whatever, but because I'm using gelatin, there's raspberry. And you can make it be so beautiful. I've done a lime trifle in it, and you just do like layers, and it's just a beautiful piece to add to a holiday or a special dinner or anything like that. So I'll be leaving the stand behind for this event. But also my bowl comes with a lid, which is nice for traveling, or if you have stuff that you have to bring back, or putting it in the refrigerator or whatever need be. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start layering. I have watch it wiggle. Do you see it? It's jiggling, jiggle. So I've got raspberry jello, and I put raspberries that I picked from the farm in there. Got that all set already. I've got the angel food cake in the background that I made and let cool. I've got some chocolate syrup. So I'm just gonna layer it. I'm just gonna do a layering thing, and I'll put you on speed and then I'll slow you down when you got the thing. All right, here it is. What do you guys think? So I kind of went over the top a little bit, but I'm assuming that it's going to settle a smidge so I can get the lid on. If I can't get the lid on, then I'll make like a dome with something. Isn't that beautiful? So you just dig in with your big scooper spoon and plate it up. What a fabulous meal. Don't forget to check out all the videos. Thank you so much for being here with me. And I hope you enjoyed this raspberry Jell-O angel food cake, whipped cream deliciousness. Sometimes you need to treat yourself and have a